Friends, these days, have you ever noticed a pleasant fragrance whenever you enter a house, an office, a shopping mall, or a car? Often we don't pay much attention to it. But the truth is that fragrance is a highly sought after product. Yes, it is the air freshener. In today's modern lifestyle, fragrance has become not just a luxury but a necessity, as people everywhere desire a refreshing and pleasant environment. This has made air fresheners a fast-moving consumer product, used daily and purchased repeatedly. Furthermore, if you want to start a profitable business with a moderate investment, the air freshener manufacturing business could be a great opportunity for you. So in today's video, we are going to explain this air freshener manufacturing business step by step. So watch the video completely without skipping any part, as this will provide you with clear guidance. And before starting this video, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get more innovative business ideas like this. Come on, let's watch. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. The types of air fresheners and market scope. Air fresheners come in various types, including spray air fresheners for use in homes and bathrooms, gel-based air fresheners for long-lasting use, electric diffuser air fresheners for urban customers, car air fresheners for direct connection with the automobile market, and aerosol air fresheners for premium use. In terms of market scope, the global air freshener market is steadily growing every year due to urbanization, demand for cars, and the growth of hotels and offices. Indeed, according to recent market research, the industry is growing rapidly and is projected to become a multi-billion-dollar market in the coming decade. This indicates a significant business opportunity for long-term and high-volume sales. Market research and demand analysis. Firstly, you need to conduct market research. For this, you must understand what type of air freshener product is in high demand in your target area. Whether it's a room freshener, a car freshener, gel-based, spray-based, or solid tablets. Furthermore, the demand for these products is rapidly increasing in urban and semi-urban areas of India. You should also analyze your competitors, finding out which brands are performing well, what their prices are, and which products are most preferred by consumers. This research will help you select the right product category and enable you to steer your business in the right direction from the very beginning. How much investment is needed? Well, if we talk about financial planning for starting an air freshener manufacturing business, if you wish to start the air freshener production business on a small scale, an investment of 10 lakhs to 15 lakhs will be sufficient, including machinery, raw materials, packaging, registration, and marketing costs. On the other hand, if you want to start on a large scale, you will need a financial plan ranging from 25 lakhs to 50 lakhs or more. However, this is just a general estimate and may vary depending on your city or the prices of machinery and raw materials. Therefore, along with proper financial planning, you will need a project report. License and registration. Before starting this business, you need to get some important licenses and registrations done. You will need an MSME registration, GST number, trade license, and factory license. Since air fresheners use chemicals, it is advisable to get an NOC from the Pollution Control Board and FSSAI certification, especially if you want to manufacture car and room fresheners. Also, the types of licenses may vary depending on your location, or some additional permits might be required. With the right documents, your business will be legal and you will be able to easily connect with major retailers and online platforms. Location selection. You do not need much space to manufacture air fresheners. If you are starting on a small scale, 500 to 800 square feet of space will be sufficient. On a larger scale, you may need 1500 to 2000 square feet. You should have a separate space for the production area, raw material storage, packaging section, and finished product storage. While choosing a location, make sure that there is good electricity, water, and transportation facilities to make production and distribution easy. Machinery and equipment. For air freshener manufacturing, you will need both basic and advanced machinery. These include mixing tanks, filling machines, perfume dispensers, molding machines, packaging machines, labeling machines. If you're making spray-based products, you will need an aerosol filling machine. The price of these machines depends on their production capacity, and you can purchase them from local manufacturers or online sellers such as IndiaMart, Alibaba, and Trade India. Initially, to start on a small scale, you can use semi-automatic machines. And as your business grows, you can upgrade to fully automatic machines. Raw materials and suppliers. The raw materials used to make air fresheners include essential oils, chemicals, fragrances, propellants, gas, gel base, glycerin, packaging material, and labels. For good quality raw material, you need to deal with reliable suppliers. You can get supplies of chemical and packaging raw materials from wholesale markets in cities near you or online B2B sites like Alibaba, IndiaMart, or Trade India. By taking the best quality raw material, both the fragrance and efficacy of your product will improve, which will increase customer satisfaction and increase repeat orders. Manufacturing process. The manufacturing process of air freshener is quite simple, but proper hygiene and measurement should be observed in it. First, essential oils, fragrances, and base ingredients are mixed in a machine, then fixatives and preservatives are added, and the solution is thoroughly mixed in a mixing tank. After mixing, the solution is allowed to rest for a while to allow air bubbles to settle. Then it is filled into sachets, bottles, gel cups, or spray cans using a filling machine according to the recommended quantity. Afterward, a leak test is conducted to ensure that the product is not damaged during transportation and storage. Following this, the product is sealed, packaged, and labeled. Sales and marketing. In the air freshener manufacturing business, simply creating the product is not enough. True success lies in getting that product to the right place and to the right customer. Therefore, the sales and marketing strategy must be clear from the outset. You can market your product by using eye-catching and innovative packaging and by introducing various new product variants. Then you can target local distributors, retail stores, supermarkets, hotels, offices, and hospitals, as well as sell online through platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, and your own website. Importantly, if you effectively utilize attractive packaging, affordable pricing, free samples, and digital marketing, you can effectively scale your brand. Friends, overall, the air freshener manufacturing business is one that can be started with low to medium investment, has consistent demand, and can be easily expanded in the future. Therefore, if you have proper planning and execution, this business has the potential to be successful. So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.